Bridgeport, you have any bold ideas? I bet you do. Hi, everybody. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And right here in Bridgeport, I know you've got a lot of innovation. You've got a history of this. It's also called the Arsenal of America, I just researched. You guys have been producing machinery, ammunition, sewing machines for over 500 factories at its peak. You're the birthplace of everyday innovation. And we do end up serving a lot of inventors right here in Bridgeport and the greater area. So you're really part of an industrial and innovation revival. You actually have a lot of high tech now, not just old school machinery, skilled trades, and industrial roots. It's a deep history of manufacturing. It's also the country's major industrial hub. So this is the time to invent. If you're right here in Bridgeport, you're in a great position to sort of be at this gritty, modern comeback, right? This old school city that's making a revival. And there's a lot of energy involved in that, in the startup vibe. So go grab a cup of coffee, sit down, piece of paper, write down your invention, and then get a hold of us. Book a free discovery call today on our website at boldpatents.com, right here below on this Bridgeport page. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.